Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in this interesting video series regarding the Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan from chapter number 1 to chapter number 30, which is a part of first year BAMS syllabus. But I request that this series is very useful for the students, for the doctors, for the patients, and for the common man as well. Because Vagbhat has given a very nice instructions in Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan. So today is Ashtanga Hridaya chapter number 3, part number 2. In chapter 3, I have made the 5 sections, 5 parts. So don't miss any part. Because why you should break up all these parts? Because I want that the matter should be digested in a very small time and very easily and comfortably. I can deliver the lectures 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. That is not a point. But how much you can digest, how much we can digest is the most important part. Rutucharya Adhyaya, that is seasonal regimen. Dinacharya and Rutucharya are the important aspects of prevention of the disease. Swasthasya swasthya rakshanam. This is the important aspect of Ayurveda. Of course, seasonal regimen information is also useful for treating the patients. For example, Vasantika Vamana, Basti in Varsha Rutu, etc. Okay, presented by this series by myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology, Kaya Chikitsa and Kriya Sharir. My WhatsApp number 9226810630. So let us move further. In this Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan chapter 3, part 2, Rutucharya, seasonal regimen, we will start with shlok number 7 and we will stop at shlok number 17. Who has original Ashtanga Hridaya with Tika, they can open their book and they can understand very easily because I am making the shlokas with Sandhi Vigraha. Hemanta Rutucharya, we will start with Thanda, Thanda, Cool, Cool, December month. Balinaha, Balinaha, Shita Sandrodhat, Hemante, Prabalaha, Analaha. Anala means Agni. Agni will be strong, metabolic process will be strong in December month of every year. Healthy season, slag season for the doctors. Oh my God, no patient go for the family tour in December month. Bhavani, Bhavanti, Alpa Indhano, Dhatun, Sapachet, Vayuna, Iritaha. Prerana, iritaha. Okay. Ato hime asmin sevet. Mammam sevet swadu amla lavanan dosan. We must eat sweet, sour, salty, frar, Diwali frar. Okay. So that is very good. Good food eating, chavan prash, always in the season of Hemant. Hemanta Rutu, Lakshana and Charya. Okay. So that is features and regimen during the winter season. In Hemanta Rutu, due to the cold breeze, the body temperature is obstructed and enters deep into the body and increases the digestive fire. Because our body is cool, so where heat will go? Heat will enter into the body and stimulate the stomach, hydrochloric acid, enzyme secretions, stimulation of digestive juices. This can happen that increases the digestive fire in the strong person and able to digest even hard food substances. Hard means difficult for digestion. High calorie food, high fatty food can be digested only in the Hemanta Rutu and not in the Grishma Rutu. Remember my words. If the proper food is not supplied to the body in winter, it might even burn the body tissues. So eat well and live well in Hemanta Rutu. Don't do fasting in Hemanta Rutu. Never, never, never. Don't do fasting. Okay, Hemanta Rutu, Himalaya. Ice is there, cold is there, thanda, thanda, cool, cool. Morning breakfast is better. Dairdhyat nishanam etarhi prataha eva bhuvukshitaha. Dairdhyat nishanam. Nisha means night sleep. Nights are longer, so early in the morning, the people feel hungry. So breakfast is allowed in only Hemanta Rutu. Hemanta Rutu, breakfast is allowed. अवश्य कार्यम संभाव्य यथा uktam शीलयत anu. Hence, in winter, it is advised to consume more snigdha fatty substances, anchas, madhura, sweet, amla, sour, and lavana rasa, sweet, sour, salty, dravyas, or the food substances. During winter, as the nights are longer, everybody feels hunger immediately after getting up from the bed. Hence, after attending the natural calls, whoever, again that differs. Kapha people may not feel hungry. Pitta and Vata will feel more hunger. Okay. Feel hungry, take the food substances containing madhura, amla, and lavana ras. Breakfast is allowed in Hemanta Rutu according to Ayurveda. Hemanta lifestyle. Vatagna tailaihi. Thandi. Thand, cool, is a property of Vata dosha. So to control the Vata dosha, Vata bioenergy, apply oil. Abhyanga, whole body massage is very useful in Hemanta Rutu. Murdhani, head. Tailam Vimardhanam. Niyuddham Kushalahi Sardham Padaghatam Chi Yuktitaha. Kashaya Aparuta Sneha Udvartana. Dry powder massage. Tataha Snato Yatha Vidhi. Kunkumena Sadarpana. Pradigdho Aguru Dhupitaha. In this season, one has to perform the Abhyanga body massage with Vata Har Tail, Kshira Bala Tail, Tila Tail, sesame oil, Madhura Tail, Kshira Bala Tail, head massage, wrestling with the skilled person, judo, karate, exercises, stretching exercises are allowed, but it should be done to half of the strength. Ardha Shakti Vyayama, Ayurvedic terminology. Ardha Shakti Vyayama. That is asked always in the examination. Ardha Shakti, what does it mean? Whenever the person gets sweating on the forehead, in the axilla, he feels a little bit tired, stop the exercise. Ardha Shakti, and mouth is open, then stop. Half, half physical exercise, half of the original own strength. And Padaghata, foot massage, is also allowed regularly in Hemanta Rutu. Afterwards, clean the oil over the body with the powders or the decoctions of Kashaya Rasu, astringent, and then have the bath systematically. Later on, after that, apply the paste of the Kunkuma, deodorant. Saints are allowed in Hemanta Rutu, saffron and darpa and kasturi musk on the body, followed by dhupa fumigation with agaru, protection from the cold. You can use the simple thing, calamus powder, vacha powder. A little, not rubbing on the chest, on the neck, on the back to protect from the cold. Vacha, calamus is best. Remember my words. Next, food and protection. Rasan snigdhan, palam pushtam gaudam, achasuram suram, godhuma, wheat, pishta, carbohydrates, mash, black gram, ikshu, sugarcane, sugars, Kshirottha Vikrudi, milk products, Shubhaha. Very good, Shubhaha. Navam Annam. It can be digested. Navam Annam, Vasa, Tailam, Shauchakarye, Sukha Udakam. Protection. You should protect from the cold, chilled weather. Pravar, Ayurvedic terminology, Sanskrit, Ajina, Kausheya, Praveni, Kauchava, Astrutam, Sandhivigraha. Then take the food containing snigdha maunsa rasa, anchas mutton soup, meat of well-nourished animals, wine prepared from good, that is jaggery, sura mad, sura, wheat powder, black gram, food prepared with sugarcane and milk, freshly harvested rice, vasa, that is muscle fat, and taila, gingerly oil. Use only warm water for drinking, bathing, and also for washing. Always use the warm water. Never go for air conditioning. Never go for fans. Never bath with the cold water. Take precaution. Otherwise, arthritis, muscle pain, back pain, headache, everything will be there. Okay. Then lie down by covering with heat protecting blankets. Pravara, Sanskrit terminology, a thick sheet made up of with cotton and wool. Ajina, sheet is not shit, S-H-I-T. That is another. Made by furred animal skin then Kausheya, silk cloth, then Praveni, sheet made by the jute and other fibers, Kauchava, shawl, etc. Okay, so these are the protection nowadays that we always protect with the woolen clothes. Okay, lifestyle. Ushna Subhavaihi, Lagubhihi, Pravataha, Shayanam Bhajit. Yuktya, Arkakiranan, Svedam, Padatranam cha Sarvada, Padatranam cha Sarvada. Pivara, Urustana Shronyaha, Samada, Pramadaha, Priyaha, Haranti Shitam, Ushna Ango, Dhupa Kunkuma Yauvanai, Angara Tapasantaptam Garbh. Can you see this cursor? Bhu Veshmacharana, Shita Parushya Janito, Na Dosho Jatu Jayate. Resort proper sudation by exposing to the sun rays. Sun bath is very nice in Hemanta Rutu. Okay, it is specially recommended to wear the footwear, padatrana, always footwear to protect from the cold, because your what you can say, the tiles in the houses, they get cold because of the cold outside. Indulge sex with the woman, having well developed thighs, breast and buttocks, delighted with wine in a playful mood, body warm with fragrant fumes and youthfulness, and got relief from the cold. If you do, sex is allowed authentically in Hemanta Rutu and not in the Grishma Rutu. Try to understand. Those who are residing in the underground houses or rooms which are equipped with room heaters will not be affected by the troubles caused by the dryness and roughness of the cold property of the Hemant Rutu. This is very essential. Fire, wood fire is very important. Room heaters, very essential in the winter season, in the December month. Shishira Rutu, next, January. Shishira Rutu, lifestyle, same as the Hemant, because Hemant is cool, Shishir is cool, more chilled. Shishira Rutu Charya. Ayam eva vidhi. Ayam, this same like Hemant Rutu, vidhi karyaha shishire api. Shishire api visheshtaha. More predominantly, you should follow the advice given in the Hemant Rutu. Shishir Rutucharya is very similar to the Hemant Rutucharya. If you are asked in the examination, write down LAQ of Shishir Rutucharya, write down the Rutucharya of Hemant only. But before that, you must mention this line. See on the screen. Ayam eva vidhi karya shishire api visheshtaha. More precautions from the cold. More warm water for bathing, for washing, for drinking. Are you getting my point? So same Rutucharya. Hemant Rutucharya should be written in Shishir Rutucharya. Tadahi shitam adhikam roksham cha adana kalajam. In the comparative to the him, Shishir Rutu, there will be dryness will increase. Dryness will increase. In addition to the cold, dryness will more. Vata will be more. Shishir Rutu Lakshana and Charya, features and regimen during the late winter. Shishir means late winter. As it is the beginning of Adanakal, Shishir Vasanta Grishma, dryness will be very less. Coldness is high due to the clouds, breeze and rain sometimes. Instead of the features of Adanakal, Visargakal features are more prominently seen in Shishira Rutu. The same dietetics, same like Hemanta and regimen of Hemant Rutu should be adopted in Shishira Rutu also. So my dear friends, this is all about Ashtanga Rudaya, Sutrasthan, chapter 3, Rutucharya, part 2. There will be 5 parts. Don't forget. Don't miss any episode. This is a series. Ashtanga Rudaya Sutrasthan from chapter number 5 to chapter number 30 by Ayurveda Academy by Professor Dr. R. Deshpande, shlokas with Sandhi Vigra and nice explanation. So I request all of you to subscribe my channel, like this video, share your comments, give me interesting feedbacks. And for paid consultations, for private coaching classes in Marathi, Professor Deshpande self is taking. WhatsApp me on 92268 but these are the paid services. Okay, so I wish you all the best, but here I would like to say bye bye to you, and sarve pi sukhinas santu, sarve santu.